Hello friends, uh, today I'll make you learn how to do a database connectivity, and for this connectivity we'll be using Oracle as backend and Java as frontend. So you all know that for making a connection between two hardwares we need drivers. Suppose we need to install a printer on a computer, then we need some device, some software to connect these two devices, computer and a printer, and this software is called drivers. In the same way, when we need to connect two softwares we need drivers, because driver works as interface between the two softwares. Here as front end we are using Java technology, and as backend we are using Oracle. So now first of all, in our system we need to check whether Oracle is installed here or not, and if it is installed then it is required to be working correctly. Okay, Oracle database 10G Express edition I will be using, and I'm gonna check it here. Go to database home page, and here it is opening. It will take a little bit time, and then it will be giving us the username and password to enter, and in between I'll make a project here, simple project, that is Java project, and this Java project is like this way, Java application. I will select and next, and here I'm going to give here connection demo. Okay, and here I do finish. Okay, so here is my project. So in between I have got this thing. I entered username, and same way the password you can enter, and your login system will be opened for you. Once your Oracle will be open for you, and here on the SQL we can see lot many things. Okay, so I will be checking here through object browser. All the files are shown here. All the tables are shown here, and here are the numbers. If I say okay, demo table, I made it last time, and here it is. Okay, so now we'll just close this and go back to the environment in which I have to create a connection. Okay, now so first of all I need to see here whether my services are given or not. Okay, now services of type what that I have in. Okay, I have got the services in between, and these are coming from Windows and services. You can select it from here and you'll be getting the services. Okay, here I need to see the database, right? In database you need to see whether Oracle is installed here. Okay, my Oracle is installed here, and here on the right click you need to connect this. Okay, this. So this is environment setting, how you need to set up the environment. Now let us move on to the projects. In projects I will be making a new Java class. In that class I'll be doing okay CONNECTION. Okay, connection demo class. I'll be making connection demo class here, and then I'll be finishing it out. Okay, so my dear friends, basically to make a connection and fetch some data from the database, we need first of all a package. Package means the drivers, some libraries we need, and the libraries that will be acting as drivers between Java and Oracle. Okay, now so where can I find this library? These libraries are given with the software, that is backend software, and in my example backend is Oracle, and in Oracle I need to search it here as OJDBC. OJDBC means what? Oracle Java Database Connectivity. Okay, the files are available here, so I will be saying that please open the location of the file OJDBC. These are jar files, as window have WinRAR files, WinZip files means WinRAR means Windows archive files, and jar files mean Java archive files. So this is what C Oracle exe. This is the location. You need to note this location so as we can add these libraries to this my project. Okay, I have connection demo project here, and in this it is having two of the folders. One is source packages and second is libraries. The libraries that I am already using is JDK 1.7, and I need to add some jar. Okay, so okay, it is already pointed to lib directory there that we have noted into our section. Okay, and it is what actually Oracle exe app Oracle ruct 10.2.0, and then server, and this server, if I have something like database, not actually database, in server, let me see the path over there. I opened it last time. In server it will be JDBC, then lib. In JDBC here, and then lib. Okay, I need to add these two Java archive files into my this project. Okay, now I need this very package, this very jar that will act as drivers. Drivers mean, I already told you that it will be acting as intermediate communicator between Java front end and Oracle backend. Okay, now let us see the steps. This was actually the environment setup for making database connectivity of Java with Oracle. Now let us set up let us see the steps that will help us to connect. Okay, these are 5 steps basically, and that to connect Java application with the database in Java using JDBC, and fetch the data, and after that executing queries. Okay, so first of all, registering the driver classes. This is the first step. What does it mean? The drivers that will be connecting our Java application with Oracle are required to be in our application. They are required to be what should I say, fetched into our application. We will connect some class file. We will get some class file into our application. Now second one is making a connection, third one is creating a statement, fourth one is executing some queries to get the data, and after that we'll be getting a result set. Then after all, closing the connection. Okay, we'll be working on the connectionless approach of database connection. So first of all, here I'll be writing public static void main, because I'm gonna do all the stuff into the main method. Public static void then main. Here you know the simple syntax of this thing, and here I take some name for the statement. Okay, now drivers we were talking about. Let us go back to the drivers and how to register those driver classes, or the first step I told you, register the driver classes. So the very first step will be having how to register the driver class into Java app. Okay, now so first of all I'll be giving here class dot for name. Now what is this class dot for name? It is a method. It is a method that returns the class object associated with the class or interface that is given here, and that is actually a class loader method. You can see it here. Using the given class loader, it loads the class. Okay, now which class I need to be loaded here? Let me show you the class I need to load here in the program that will register actually the drivers. Okay, here I need to make database connectivity with the Oracle. Okay, so to make a database connectivity with the Oracle, we need here oracle.jdbc.driver package, and in this oracle.jdbc.driver package I need to have Oracle driver class, Oracle driver class. Okay, Oracle driver, this is the class actually. Basically this is the compiled version of the code Oracle driver. Okay, now so I will write this here in double quotes that I need to have Oracle dot jdbc driver jdbc dot driver is the name of the package, and Oracle driver is the name of the class that I need to be loaded. Now this class have an exception, class not found, which the method throws an exception. For name method throws an exception, class not found. So I need to wrap it up onto what try and catch, that I have done it here through the try catch block. Okay, and now try and in catch I need to give what class not found exception, and exception will work automatically. So let us proceed with the next thing. Registration has been done, and okay, here the second step is creating a connection. Okay, connection is a type that we need to include connection is a type that we need to be included into java.sql as the package from which I'll be including this connection. Con is the reference that I have made, is driver manager dot get connection and get connection is a method that is given to the driver manager, and get connection is actually overloaded method, that is one having only one argument URL, second having URL and info, and third getting URL, user and password. So I'll be using third one. So first of all, URL is to be given. Now what is this URL? URL is actually having all the information of the drivers, or which is actually locating the drivers. Now from where I'll be having this URL, go on to the services, and here on JDBC you just need to click onto this and right click and go to the properties. Into the properties you need to click onto this, actually second one is what? Database URL, and this is what we need, and we just make a copy of this and we paste it here into these double quotes. Okay, these double quotes. Now here at this point of time I'll be using the username that I given over there, and here is the password. Okay, password of what? Oracle installed on your system, and that I have shown you here how you log in, and the same login will be done at this point of time. So it is again throwing an exception, connection unreported SQL exception. So I'll be adding an extra catch clause here. Okay, catch clause that will be handling error of type what? SQL exception, means whether connection is established correctly or not. Now the second step is done. Okay, making a connection to database. Okay, that is Oracle here. Okay, now this is the first step, the registering the drivers, number one. Number two, making a connection. And now let us go to the third point, and third point is creating a statement. Okay, statement is created like this way: statement, statement, and statement is again a type that we need to fetch from java.sql. Be very careful that it is not to be fetched from java.beans, as it is given here, java.beans. You need not to fetch this. You just need to include java.sql and SQL, then statement st is reference, and then I'll be getting it con.create statement. Create statement is actually a method that create a statement, and it returns. See here that the explanation is given here. Object, create a statement object for sending SQL statement to the database. Okay, so at place of statement we can use prepared statements also, that are compiled statements, that I'll just tell you okay on the next videos. So here creating statement is done now, and here the last, executing the query and getting the result set. Okay, now here is a type again, result set. Okay, that is here given java.sql. so all you can see here that to get a connection, to fetch data, and to get the result set and all that, we need to read java.sql package, because the connection type is given here, statement type is given here, result set is given here, and here st dot execute query. This is the method that is actually used to execute the query, and here we write the query. Okay, so this is all we need to do. Okay, finally I have created all this stuff, and I'll show you an example that is given here. I'll show you some table here. So okay, I can use the same table, no problem. I can use the demo table here, and in demo table you know that the that roll number, name, attendance and percentage is all given. So okay, I can write here select what is to be selected is name, attendance, roll, name and percentage. I'll be fetching roll, comma, name, comma, percentage. Okay, from what is name of table is demo table. Okay, DEMOTABLE. Okay, so after that here we have got all the records, all the things done. A result set we have fetched out. I have completed here 4 steps. Okay, one is registering driver, second is making a connection, third one is creating the statements, and fourth one is executing the query, and last one is just very simple, closing the connection, closing the connection, con dot close. Okay, so this is how we close the connection. Now before we close the connection, we can use all the data, and here is the method of result set, that is rs dot next. Now what does this next method do? This actually is used to read a record for us, and this is used to point a record for us and then move on to the next record. Actually, whenever next method will be executed, our result set will be this one. Okay, whenever next method will be executed, it will be jumping automatically to the next method. It will be reading this one, then jumping on to the next record actually. Okay, next record into the record set. Okay, now let us go back here, and I say that this next method is always returning true or false. Okay, while this is true, I mean while there is a record existing. Okay, then I will be giving system dot out dot println. Okay, println, and here I'll be fetching this out. Okay, now rs dot get string. Get string is actually a method that will be getting the string type of columns. Okay, so in column index I have fetched first of all roll, so I'll be giving it to be 2. Okay, 2. So okay, now I'll be giving a space, and in this I'll be saying that /t and then plus, then rs dot get string here, and then in this I'll be getting name here, name, at the place of name I'll be giving 3 here, and then plus, and again a tab space, then I'll be giving here rs dot get string. Okay, get string, and in this I will be giving it to be number 4, because this is all the way column index into the table. Okay, so this is the way how I can write application that will be making a connection with the database, and along with that it will be fetching out data. Now I can just run this application here, run application, and let me see here where the result is fetched out correctly or not. Okay, I should be getting this one data here, and data name, percentage, and a role. Okay, and here is the okay, there is some problem here. Let me see here, invalid column index. Okay, so I think problem is there. I'll be giving here 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. Okay, now let me play this. Okay, we got the success, because what mistake we did last time is 1 2 and 3, and we have fetched these 3 only, and I was giving mistakenly 4 here. So this is first index role, second index is name, and third index is percentage. So 1 2 and 3, these all are fetched for us. Okay, Himanshu 100, Vishali, and all that. So this is the way we can fetch the record from here. So this is all, and let me briefly explain just the meaning of these all things here given in the connection string. I'll be saying connection URL. Actually, driver manager is a class that is used to manage all the type of drivers, and get connection is a method that is getting a connection, that is establishing a connection between application and the database actually. So dbc colon oracle colon thin is the type of drivers. Actually, Java can be connected to the database by using 4 type of drivers. So thin is one type of driver, and here next @localhost is the machine name. Actually, you can type any URL, any IP address here on the in any system, because we can connect it to the another system also. IP address of home is known to us. Okay, now 1521 is the port number. Actually, operating system assign a number to each software that is installed here on operating system, as Oracle, NetBeans, Word, Cam Studio, and all that. Each one is having its port number. So Oracle port number is 1521, that help this the operating system to connect to a particular software, or that will help the Java platform to connect to the Oracle. This is the port number, and XC is actually saying that it is express addition of Java. So making a registration of the class, that is driver itself. Second, establishing a connection. Third one is creating a statement, and fourth one is fetching a data by executing the query. And next we have used it to display each and every record. We can use it to do various things. Con.close. This example I have shown by using the statement type, and next in next examples I'll be using prepared statements and lot many things. Enjoy, and we'll see you later on. Have a nice time, have fun, take care, bye bye.